Here is a quick tutorial on how I did my eyebrows using a brow pencil. Okay, first I like to start off with the pencil, really sharp. That helps create an easier and cleaner brow to, I guess, draw the lines. First I like to do the bottom line, reshaping the brow. So first trace your brow on the bottom. Okay. Once you're done tracing the bottom line, you're going to do the same on the top, but not from the inner brow. So start mid-brow and work your way down. Okay, and on the inner brow, on the bottom, you want to do hair-like strokes going up. That's why I like the pencil sharp, so it makes clear little lines going up. And after you're done with that, you want to go ahead and fill in the brow, starting like around here, the middle of your brow, and start coloring in the brow all the way down. And to clean it up a bit, using a brow brush, mine's at the end of this one, we're gonna go ahead and do the same movements on the inner brow going up to create like that ombre fade, and then in the middle go ahead and brush it back. Okay. And there you go. And if you need to fill in some more, go ahead. Okay. And then what I do next to clean it up a bit, I put concealer. If I can get it. There it goes. And I like dabbing it here so I don't make a mess, because I usually squeeze out more than what I need. So then I go ahead and go in through to the bottom. Carefully line the brow. Grab some more concealer and do the same to the top. Let's see. Okay, and once you're done doing that, the leftover excess concealer I had, I go ahead and just prep my eyelid and get it ready. For my eyeshadows. And what I'd like to do also is get a little beauty blender and blend all that concealer out. So you don't see the brush strokes shapes on the concealer. The blender helps blending those strokes out, marks off. And there you go. that is how I do my brow. Thanks for watching, guys.